Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to start YouTube automation shorts with AI. So first and foremost, you have to go to ChatGPT and then you have to ask for any ideas for profitable shorts niche. So you can start with motivation, facts, AI stories, finance, health hacks, celebrity facts, and then crime stories. So for example, we will be focusing on the motivation. Once done, then you can go to step two, use AI for content ideas such as ChatGPT and Google Trends. So, for example, we'll be using this prompt, give me 20 viral YouTube Shorts ideas about money facts. Now, open again a new tab for ChatGPT and then paste it. Wait for a couple of seconds and you should see the following ideas. And all you have to do now is to create a script out of it. Now for Google Trends, you can also ask Google Trends if these topics or ideas are on trend or people are looking for this, people are searching for this one. So you can search for money or money facts or whatever you want to add here, like ideas about money, how to get money. And Google Trends will show you the analytics for interest over time. You can also change the location if you want. So probably you will have an idea if people are searching for this topic or not. If people are interested with money or looking for money, searching for money or money facts or not. So for me, I'm going to search for a location. So my target audience is people in United States. And then I'm going to change the niche right here. Let's just say we'll be focusing on just money alone. And then Google Trends will show you the following result. Okay, so these are the following results like how to make money, money application, search interest, and so on. So, for example, if you want to create motivation or motivation facts or anything like motivational quotes about money or how to get money or create viral YouTube shorts for money, then all you have to do now to start is to just create a script for our number one idea here. Copy $1 bill secrets you never noticed. So you can also ask ChatGPT directly, like script for shorts or YouTube shorts. Let's just say just shorts, and then paste the title, enter, and then ChatGPT will show you this one. However, you can also use other AI tools like Gemini AI or Claude AI. So we have here already the script. And what you're going to do next is we're going to create an account in 11 Labs, or you can also use CapCut for text to speech. Okay, so this is the script. And the next thing to do here is just create an account on 11 Labs. And then once you have created an account, then you just have to paste the script right here. And in 11 Labs, there are tons of voices that you can use. So basically, before we do the text to speech, you can also generate an image using Gemini AI. So the difference is that if you want to create a unique or different versions of images, because there are a lot of images in Canva, but a lot of people are using that. So if you want a unique one or generate a unique one, you can ask Google Gemini for that. Okay, so just use the correct prompt and then you have to add image so that you can generate an image like this. Now download. So once you're okay with the image, if you're going to use that one, you can now go to Canva and then tap on create a design. Okay, let me go back to Canva, create a design, and then go to the search icon, look for shorts. And then, for example, if we're going to post this on our YouTube account, so tap on YouTube Shorts right here. And then here, go to elements. You can search for like money and then look for graphics or photos or videos. Everything is up to you. But as you can see, these are not that unique. So you can just probably use the picture that you have generated using the Gemini AI, or you can also use the one in Canva. Everything is up to you. So here, what we're going to do next is we're going to generate a text to speech, like voiceover, copy. Okay, go back to 11 Labs, paste this one, generate a speech or generate speech. Look for that specific voice that you want here. And then once you have found it, then you can download the audio file. And after that, you can go back to Canva and then upload it. So basically, that's it. And actually, there's also this generate voice in Canva. So basically, you can just use also the feature, or you can use the application in Canva to do the text to speech. Okay, so we have here 11 maps, and then once done, then you just have to simply upload the file. So go to uploads, go to audio, and then drag the 11 maps audio right here below the video. Okay. And again, like what I've mentioned earlier, if you think that this one is not that unique or a lot of people are using this images or videos, you can use another AI tool, which is what we call Nardo AI. So anyways, once you're finished with this one, you can tap on the share and then tap on MP4 and then download this. So let's move on to Leonardo AI. Create an account. Okay, you can create an account using your email or connect to Google account. And then here, what you're going to do next is you need to create a prompt for Leonardo AI, and you can ask ChatGPT for that. Import the picture, and then paste the prompt here in Leonardo AI. Okay, so copy, go back to Leonardo AI, and then paste this prompt. You can be very specific, like this prompt is for Leonardo AI. You can also add negative prompts if you want. So toggle on negative prompt and then paste the negative prompt right here. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds and you should see the result right away. So this is the result. So tap on download. Now this time you can also use CapCut for this. So import the video, change the ratio to 9:16. You can expand this if you want. You can add background if you want, but this is the correct ratio or size for shorts. Okay. Now, like what I mentioned earlier, CapCut has text to speech, so all you have to do is tap on add text, paste the script right here, go to text to speech, and then look for the specific voice that you want to use, and then tap on generate speech. Then you should listen to that audio right away. And then you can add elements, add effects, add speakers. There are a lot of things that you can do in CapCut for free. But of course, there are some elements also or features that you cannot unlock unless you upgrade your CapCut. Okay, you can also do auto captions. And then once you're done, then what you're going to do next is just export this. And basically, these are the easiest ways and how to start YouTube automation shorts with AI. All you have to do is to upload this to your YouTube account, add a strong title or caption, and then as you can see, go to monetization. So upload strategy, here it is, post 1 to 3 shorts daily, and then YouTube monetization. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.